Hello, everybody. I have three sentences for you, and I hope you will be able to guess which one is a lie. And the first one is I spent some time in Japan being homeless. That was a story that happened quite a lot of years ago, where I arrived in Japan by boat, and the friends who were going to meet me up, they actually confused the port where I was supposed to arrive. And it took them the whole 2 more days actually to find me because at that time, yeah, that was really long ago, the cell phones and mobile phones didn't exist. So yeah, I spent two nights sitting on the pier and waiting for my friends to find me. And the next story is I have flown on Airbus 320 plane. I mean, as a pilot, of course. And that's connected with my obsession with flying. I'm obsessed by flying in general. And I have a friend of mine who is a pilot. And it happened so once that he was flying a plane where I was traveling as a passenger. And we agreed before the flight, and I came to to the cockpit, and he allowed me to fly a plane for a while. That was really exciting. And the third one is that I have knit 2 sweaters for myself. I learned how to knit when I was a kid. Basically, my eldest sister taught me how to do it, and yeah, I have knit 2 sweaters. They were quite good, by the way. And now my wife, who is keen on knitting and she loves it, she always jokes that she doesn't have to knit everything for me because I can do it by myself. All right, so let's see who can guess which one is a lie. Bye.